So today I'm going to be working with the magic circle. So you may have used the magic circle before and you're just not sure if you're using it correctly, or you may be looking at this thing and wondering, what the heck is that contraption? Either way, this video is going to be for you. My name's Gretchen McCarthy. I'm founder of Balance to the Core, and I make Pilates workouts convenient for you, meaning you can do them anywhere, anytime, with anyone, wearing anything. The key is convenience for you. If you like this channel, please subscribe. I have a new video every week. And if you like this video and you find value to it, be sure to like it at the end of the video. Okay, so let's get started. Today I'm gonna work with the upper body, and in my next video, I'll do the lower body for you. So with the upper body, what you're gonna do with the circles, you're gonna be able to engage the belly more as well as the back muscles more. We have a tendency to overwork our upper shoulder muscles, so we're sort of overdeveloped up here, and those are not supporting muscles. We want to build the muscles below our shoulders because those are the supporting muscles, and they're going to be able to give our arms and our body more strength so that we don't have rotator cuff injury or pain, which is very common for most of us. So with the circle, we get to develop the muscles right below the shoulders so that we have a nice evened out balanced tone, okay? So we're not all up here. And the second thing that it's gonna do, it's gonna help us really engage the abdominals more. So you're gonna feel those ab muscles a little bit more deeper, and those are the muscles that are attached to the spine. Those are our supporting muscles. So those are gonna be the muscles that really protect our body and give us more strength in our everyday movement, as well as make our other workouts more efficient. So the magic circle is so awesome. So let's get started with a Pilates rollback, and I'm going to show you how it can be enhanced with the magic circle. So go ahead and sit on top of your sitting bones nice and tall and really get your shoulders over your hips. If you have a problem sitting in this position and not be able to get your back straight, just kind of elevate yourself on some blankets, on a cushion, on a pillow, whatever you can to sort of get your hips a little bit higher, okay? So when you hold the circle in your hands, you want to hold it in the heel part of your hand, okay? So that's going to go into the cushion part so that all your fingers are free to move, okay? So we have no tension when working with the circle. Now, as you're sitting up tall, I want you to reach your arms forward. Take a nice deep inhale, and then on your exhale, engage your belly muscles. Keep letting the exhale out till you can't let any more exhale out and you really feel your belly muscles, and then just give the circle a squeeze. Oh. Breathe in. Try that again. Exhale the air out. As you exhale the air out, squeeze the circle, let every last bit of your air out, and feel what that does. Helps you get into those belly muscles a lot more, right? So that's the key of how the magic circle gets into your belly more. So then we have our shoulders as well. So while you're reaching your arms forward, I want you to pull your shoulders back and feel that opposition. Feel the shoulders pull into their pockets. Feel your arm reach long, okay? A lot of opposition going on, and when you're holding that, you should feel these muscles down here, your supporting muscles. I like to call it like heavy armpits, the muscles right under your armpits, okay? So those are gonna be your supporting arm muscles. So sit up tall, take an inhale, and then exhale the air out. Start to engage your abdominals as you squeeze that circle, and then pull the circle back at the same time. And then inhale, release. Exhale, scoop. Squeeze the circle, pull your shoulders back until they're in their pockets. Inhale, release, one more time. Exhale, scoop the abs. Squeeze the circle, pull your shoulders into place. And try to sit up as tall as you can. So a lot going on there. All right, now keep that engagement and start to roll your body back. As you roll back, keep your heels down and just sort of shoot your tailbone forward as you scoop and hang out here. Release the circle on an inhale. Exhale, scoop the belly. Squeeze the circle and pull your shoulders back. A lot of work going on. Keep that. Take another deep inhale. Exhale, pull your belly back to come forward. And keep everything engaged into that circle as you then roll it up. Release. Exhale, scoop, squeeze, shoulders back as you pull back. Stay for an inhale, release. Exhale, scoop, squeeze, shoulders pull back as you dive forward. And roll it up. Do that one more time. Inhale. Exhale, scoop, squeeze, shoulders roll. A lot going on. Inhale, release. Exhale, scoop, squeeze, shoulders back as you dive forward. And then roll it up. Now go back, take an inhale. Exhale, scoop, squeeze, shoulders back. Keep rolling back as you exhale the air out. Push into the circle more as you roll down into a lying down position. All right, from here, take an inhale. Start to nod the chin to your chest. Now, on your exhale, you're getting through that sticky point. Scoop, squeeze, shoulders down, and squeeze more into that circle to come forward and roll it on up. Good. So it's like a 3-part series, right? You got your exhale, you got your belly, you got your shoulders. So the circle can really work the upper body. And when you add all of the other Pilates exercises to it, it's a lot for the mind, which is awesome mind-body connection. So you're working like your whole being as you're working Pilates, which is awesome. But think about all the different exercises you can do with the Pilates repertoire. With this, it becomes such an awesome full body workout. So if this is something that you're interested in, I do have lots of workouts in my 30-day Pilates challenge. I do have a bunch of circle exercises, and I also teach live workouts every morning at 8:30 a.m. Monday through Friday Eastern Standard Time. So if you want to check out some full-time workouts with me with the Magic Circle, come join me and you will get a full body toning workout. And be sure to like this video if you liked it, and I will come back with part 2 next time with the legs. Okay? Take care. Thanks for watching.